Boom shakalaka, imminent danger for Bitcoin price. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, imminent danger for Bitcoin price. We're taking a look at a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and for cryptocurrencies and taking a look, will Bitcoin bounce? Will Bitcoin crash? What is more likely? Before we get into it, guys, like the video, come join us on Twitter at Crypto Love. Subscribe to the channel. Now today, fear and greed, 60. Yikes. Down from the green colors to the mustard, yellowish. Not looking good in terms of sentiment. The overall market, though, up 1% today. Bitcoin is 65,647, Ethereum at 35.77, BNB at 603, Solana 137, XRP 49 cents, Dogecoin 12 cents, Toncoin 7.17, and Cardano 39 cents. Now, Bitcoin breaking below long-term trend support since all the way back in October. This could be critical. First level of support, roughly $62,500. If that doesn't hold, could be headed a lot lower, a lot more quickly. And if we take a look, here's a view of just how much paper bets on Bitcoin there is right now. The solid yellow chart is a Z-square oscillator looking at how significant it is locally. We need a solid amount of liquidation still before we get the all clear for further bullish activity. So price may not be heading up anytime soon. As a matter of fact, as you can see from this heat map chart, although a lot of liquidity lies above $72,000, there's still a good amount below that could potentially push price down. So Bitcoin is sitting on the cusp of something big. And as a matter of fact, Bitcoin has just dropped below the half sigma MVRV pricing band at 67,890, which may trigger correction towards the mean pricing bands at 54,930. Same thing happened in these corrective periods. We could be heading down to the next level right now, about $55,000. And I know it sucks, but Bitcoin is not going to break all-time highs until more pain and boredom plays out, unfortunately. On the bright side, miners are capitulating. When that's through, it nearly always ends in a huge rally. Look for compressions in the ribbon, the Bitcoin hash ribbons. Buy and hodl in these regions. When it gets close to times to buy and hodl, you can see those are generally pretty good times to buy and hodl. Right now we have a compression, which might mean buy and hodl if you have any dry powder, as they say. Now, just recently, Bitcoin tapped the 128-day moving average. Today, as a matter of fact. First time since October of last year. Yowza. About the same time as that trendline support. Typically, but not always, this acts as good support in Bitcoin bull markets. So maybe, just maybe, I mean, if we pray hard enough, price may stop there, may not go down any lower. Not only that, but we also have the bull market support band loading up for a big bounce. Testing the bull market support band once again in January 2023, Bitcoin turned the band into support when it was trading at 19.5. Since then, every time the price has tested these bands, we've seen a big jump in price. Will we see a fake out like was here back towards the end of 2013, or will it be support like pretty much every other time previously? I don't know, but it gets scary at moments like this. Also sitting on the short-term holder realized price, acting as support for Bitcoin once again. Let's see if this holds. I know a lot of let's see for Bitcoin. Let's hope and pray. Price has been going sideways forever. And some people are saying, well, when was the last time Bitcoin remained range-bound for 3+ months from a significant rally, which then leads to a price increase? And you can see, well, here, and then here, and then here, and then here, and then here. And I'm sure they're going to point out this part where it went sideways and then it dipped. And yeah, that's possible. I mean, price could go anywhere, could dip by half, but maybe unlikely. I don't exactly know. If we take a look, post-halving, when miners sell, there is a post-halving bottom. Looks like there might be a little bit lower to go based on where previous halvings have landed at the lowest. But back in 2016, it did bottom out at the short-term holder cost basis, which once again, we are nearing that. That is 63,774. Numbers differ a little bit depending upon which person you ask. Now, Bitcoin has formed a double top. On a weekly chart, the pattern could drive Bitcoin a bit lower and volatile, unfortunately. However, the final movement is up. Ignore the short-term volatility. Hodl till the end, because Bitcoin bull run is still on. Both the parabolic SAR indicator and the LMACD 2-month charts are showing the bull market is far from being over. We only have 3 bull market dots so far on the parabolic SAR. These ones have at least another handful of dots maybe even close to a year full of dots there to come. And the log MACD also still has a lot of room for growth. All of these things, while it sucks in the short term, it is the summer. Nothing is going to happen until September. Price will continue to drag down, but hey, it's a great time to scoop up Bitcoin for cheap. And that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video, subscribe, come join us on Twitter, TheCryptoLove. And also check out that video right there. YouTube says you should watch it. All right, have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.